you think to yourself, I'm kind of hungry, it's noon. What immediately does your subconscious mind bring to your conscious mind then?
Maybe that your stomach is empty?
Okay. Where's places to eat? And then, so am I really hungry? Wait, no, I ate at Golden Corral last night. I'm really not hungry, so maybe I shouldn't. So a different dominant thought. But if you think, okay, I'm kind of hungry, it's noon, and you plant that seed, I should go eat, then the conscious mind brings to your mind what? All the food places that you know of that are, I mean, this is obviously a simple example, but this is how it works every time. All of the food places that are nearby that you, and then, do I have to walk or could I get in my car? If I get in my car, am I going to lose my parking place? No, all of these things are happening at a subconscious level immediately. Right? We good to there? Then, so it says to the mind, here's all the different things that you could do. These plans don't make repeat performances, so write them down. We'll get to that in a later class. Then the conscious mind evaluates and approves the plans. Wendy's? Yeah, no, that's not, I don't feel like a Wendy's today. Maybe Subway's. They're too expensive now. And do you see how that works? So you go through and the subconscious mind says, how about Wendy's? Conscious mind, the judge, the agent says, no, what else can you tell me? And then it's like back and forth. Your memory, what, if you're being mindful, what does your body really need right now? The conscious mind evaluates and approves the plans. Sometimes the plans that come to the subconscious mind need to be evaluated for appropriateness. Maybe if you think, I'm going to go to McDonald's. And then your conscious mind goes, wait a second. I've heard what's in McDonald's food, so not today.
Next.
Based on values, right and wrong, good and bad, etc., etc. The subconscious has no limit, so it doesn't worry if they're realistic, possible, workable or not. And then, number 4, the subconscious mind brings the plan into working reality. So the next thing you notice is you're in your car driving to the to Subway, and you don't think anything more about it, of you getting from point A, this classroom, to point B in the line at Subway. Do you see how that works? And we're kind of glad that we don't have to get into all the minutia of the details. We just have to say, all right, subconscious mind, here's what I want to have happen. So what we're going to get into next time is we want to kind of see what it is that, what is some of the programming that makes a mess of things and how that happens and how we can start to reprogramming our subconscious mind so that we start, that number 4 down here is a desirable outcome most of the time. Okay, thanks guys. Have a terrific day.